Which toys are y'all's Pokemon up? They're gonna be opening up Mega Evolutions, Assorted Heroes. See what we get. See what we get. All right, y'all. Here goes the QR code for who needs to scan it. One through the back, and I'm gonna say metal. Hey, got that right. See if we got anything good. Been on a dry spell here lately. Maybe we get something on this one. We need it bad. Oh, koala bear looking. We need something. The reverse Pancan. And did we get anything? Yes, we did, y'all. Checked out there. Mega Skeletor EX. That there is a cool card, y'all. Check that thing out. That is awesome right there, y'all. A good hit right here, y'all. A real good hit. I'm to the moon on this one, y'all. Alright, y'all. If y'all like what y'all see, subscribe to my channel, please. With hits like this, What's Toys out of here.